pressure. Ooh.
Retired Deputy Chief Justice Richard Buteera has called for enhanced teamwork and judicial efficiency as he prepares to retire at 40 years of service in Uganda's judiciary. Speaking at the Special Court of Appeal sitting held in his honor, Justice Buteera highlighted the importance of collaborations, regular meetings, and prioritizing election petitions in order to address the case backlogs and improve judicial effectiveness.
To resolve the dispute through ADR, you retain that relationship. Another category of people that have disputes before us is people who have businesses together. Who are the people who get businesses together? They are a community of people who have been friends or relatives, know each other, and then they get into business, and because of the business, they get in a conflict. Or they are people who have a relationship with a bank, then when payment fails, they get into conflict. That group of people also need their relationships to be re-established.
He furthermore highlighted some of the challenges they encountered to ensure good progress of the judiciary.
And then you are told that the administration has not paid the rent. And then you are the judge attending to disputes similar to the one that might come before you, between you and your landlord. So it's a pleasant thing to know that the judiciary has improved so much that we are now where we are. It's pleasant to live in the judiciary of today. We have passed through times when, probably let me give you one example. I was a magistrate grade 1 in Soroti. We used to come to collect salaries. They would normally be cash, and you go to pay salaries for your staff. We also used to come and collect paper from headquarters.
The Right Reverend Hangington Mutebi, the retired Assistant Bishop of Kampala Diocese, in his sermon urged the top administrators of the judiciary to look up to the example set by the retired Deputy Chief Justice. He highlighted this through the scripture reference.
So he's aware that his time on earth is coming to an end. And here he's saying maybe he's saying seasons come and seasons go. We are not going to be here in different offices for eternity. And that's why when Solomon wrote in Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 1, he says there is a time for everything and a season for every activity under heaven. So we are being reminded that where you are not going to be there for eternity. But then God is expecting us to serve his people well, to serve with integrity. So Paul lived a life of integrity, and Paul's life was characterized by integrity, faithfulness, and devotion to God.
The guest of honor, Principal Judge Justice Dr. Flavian Zenja, expressed appreciation for the retired Deputy Chief Justice Honorable Richard Buteera, acknowledging his generous 40 years of service and professionalism, which greatly elevated his reputation.
Throughout the more than 40 years of service of the Honorable DCJ runs a golden thread of hard work, discipline, professionalism, and integrity. And I'm not mentioning this because you are here. They are reality.